Hello! Today I'm introducing you to Ethereal. This is a 15-piece, low-volume fabric collection perfect for quilters seeking a bright, delicate touch or maybe even a scrappy background for their quilts. Each piece in Ethereal is a soft, happy white adorned with gentle florals, intricate geometrics, and nature-inspired designs featuring butterflies, moths, leaves. The subtle yet striking patterns bring a whisper of elegance to your quilts, making them feel light and airy and oh so pretty. Whether adding a bit of contrast or looking for a serene palette, the Ethereal fabrics will make your next quilt project truly enchanting.